Groundwater surveyors are critical in determining the quantity and quality of groundwater resources in different places. In the instance of Uttam Nagar, a heavily populated district of Delhi, the demand for such surveyors is much greater. Uttam Nagar, like many other areas of Delhi, relies significantly on groundwater for home and agricultural needs. However, due to increased urbanization and overexploitation, groundwater levels in Uttam Nagar are rapidly diminishing. This necessitates the use of groundwater surveyors' knowledge in order to accurately analyze the current health of groundwater resources in the area and make recommendations for long-term management. Scon Design is a well-known consulting firm that specializes in environmental and geotechnical surveys. They are an excellent candidate for conducting a full assessment of the groundwater situation in Uttam Nagar due to their competence in groundwater surveys. Scon Design employs a team of highly skilled and experienced hydrogeologists who use cutting-edge technologies and techniques to conduct reliable assessments. The first stage of the study is to ascertain the current groundwater levels in Uttam Nagar. This is accomplished by strategically placing monitoring wells around the area. These wells are outfitted with sensors that take regular measurements of the water table levels. The data obtained from these wells is then processed to build a thorough map of Uttam Nagar's groundwater distribution. This information aids in identifying regions most vulnerable to depletion and can be used to develop effective conservation efforts. Scon Design conducts tests to analyze the quality of groundwater in Uttam Nagar in addition to measuring groundwater levels. This entails taking water samples from multiple wells and evaluating them for factors such as pH, dissolved solids, and the presence of pollutants. There is a critical need for groundwater surveyors who evaluate the quantity and quality of groundwater resources across the country. Uttam Nagar is a highly crowded area of Delhi, hence surveyors like these are very important there. Groundwater is very important for home and agricultural use in Uttam Nagar, as it is in many parts of Delhi. However, rapid development and overexploitation have led to a precipitous decline in Uttam Nagar's groundwater levels. In order to assess the existing state of groundwater resources in the region and provide recommendations for their sustainable management, the services of groundwater surveyors are required. When it comes to environmental and geotechnical surveys, Scon Design is the company to call. They are the most qualified to investigate the state of groundwater in Uttam Nagar because of their extensive experience in this field. Hydrogeologists with years of experience and access to state-of-the-art equipment are part of Scon Design's team of experts. The first step of the study is to assess the existing groundwater